The Haas Tooling add-in can be downloaded directly from the Fusion tool library. Access the tool library and scroll down to the vendor libraries. Click the information icon beside the Haas Tooling folder, then click Go to App Store. In the App Store, select your operating system, then click Download to download the add-in. Once you've installed the add-in, it can be launched from the Manage toolbar. If your active project has Haas Tooling, it will automatically be detected, and you can add it to the cart by clicking the cart icon for that tool. You can also add tools to the cart from the catalog by clicking the plus icon. In the catalog, you can use the filters to find the tool you're looking for. Here, we're looking for a 1 3/4 drill. Once we've found the drill, we can select it. If we don't have the drill in our library, we can add it to our tool library. Then we can add it to the cart by clicking the cart icon. You can also search by product ID. Here, we'll look for a milling tool with product ID 03-0072. Once we found the tool, we can select it. Again, if we don't have it in our library, we can add it to our library, and then we can add it to our cart. Once we've added all our tools from the catalog, we can close it and go back to our cart. In our cart, we can see the tools we've added. And now we can apply quantities by using the up and down arrows for each tool or entering a value directly. To purchase the tools, we can click Proceed to Purchase. This brings us to the Haas Quick Order page with our tooling and quantities pre-populated. We'll click Add to Cart to add the tools to our cart. At this point, we can add additional items, or we can check out. To check out, click Proceed to Checkout, then log into your Haas account to complete the order. Back in Fusion, if we access the tool library, we'll see a new local tool library has been created called Haas Tooling Add-in, which contains the tools we imported from the catalog, ready to be used for our toolpaths. The purchasing workflow is only available in the US. However, if you're outside of the US, you can still generate a cart list which contains the tooling you'd like to purchase and the quantities. You can use this document with your local Haas tooling vendor to help streamline the purchasing process.